3rd century, the town was a bishop center. The two saints from Vinkovci, Saint Eusebian and Saint Pollen, stem from that period. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Center is located within the walls of the Roman colonial area Cibale, where 2 Roman emperors were born. Let's go. Let's go. The intensive settling occurred and Vinkovci became the seat of the 7th Broad Regiment. Okay, let's go. In the second half of the 18th century, Vinkovci started getting its present form of the late Baroque buildings around today's main square.
Okay, let's go.
It existed under the name Colonia Aurelia Cibale. 30 kilograms of silver vessels from the 4th century were exhibited in the center of our town.
Let's go.
Vinkovci, with its attractions, is worthy of
is blameless to furnish food and lodgings for visitors, could easily develop a growing tourist trade.
This is a nice nature. To speak about the history of Vinkovci means to go back more than 7,000 years of continuous specific cultural features, the way of life and living. Living conditions alternate from peaceful and war periods, urban ups and downs, but traces have remained. The river Bosut played an important role, as well as the town streams, the Erevenica, Barbara and Nevkoš. Let's go.
So this is this is statue of our famous writer Josip Kozarac.
Okay, we have Vinkovci is proud of his period, scientists, writers and artists. We have a Croatian Victory is Josip Šokčević, and composer of the Croatian anthem Josip Runjani, and respectable Croatian writers are Matija Anton Reljović, Ivan and Josip Kozarac, Vladimir Kovačić, Vladimir Lončar. And that's it. This is a statue.
And so, let's go!
Let's go.
All right. Yeah.
This is a statue of our first president, Franjo Tuđman. Okay, let's go now.
All right, we're done.
Vinkovci, established 50 years ago, is a traditional folklore festival of national importance. It's an extremely organized, popular and scientific. Okay, now let's go.
Okay.
What else to say?
Come and visit Croatia, Vinkovci, taste our kulen, sing and dance to the music of tamburica.
Enjoy your time with our hospitable people in Slavonia. Hello, I'm Borna Zakšek. I'm 12 years old. I love bikes and I love my school.
Hello, my name is Jakov Vujeva. I'm 12 years old and I love to play basketball.
Hi, my name is Dorian. I'm a computer geek. I love to play games, and that's pretty much all I do.
Goodbye,
Bye,
friends.
friends.